everyone, my name is Geraldine and welcome to our homeschool table. Today I am going to be organizing some of our new materials from SONLIGHT. I ordered SONLIGHT History Bible Literature Level E, and it comes with lots of books, so I'm surrounded by books here today. Today I will be organizing and labeling all of our books with these handy book labels that I ordered with my SONLIGHT package. This doesn't come in the regular HBL package. You have to add them on, but it is definitely something that I like to have. I've already labeled a few of the books so that you can see what they look like, but I just put them on the very bottom edge of the book, and that way when I put them on my shelf, and I have other levels as well, everything can be organized and in the right place, and I can easily push things back on the shelf if I need to later on. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the readers right here in this stack. I have separated all of them into each type of book. These are the read alouds over here, and over here are the Bible books and then the history books as well, and I've already labeled these with the green labels. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and then we will hopefully get them on the shelf. So they just come off nice and easy, and you just put them on with the letter E right in the middle, like that, and then you wrap them around the side. So now there's a little green tag on the front and the back, and a letter E on the edge. I have labeled all of the books with the green level E labels, and now I'm going to make some space on my homeschool shelf over here to be putting the things that we're going to work on for next year. So on this shelf, we use our dining room to do school and pretty much house all of our books and homeschool materials. And so up here, there's an area that I normally use over here for things that we're going to be doing next year, which I never cleared off yet from last year. So I'm going to be doing that really quick and then putting the books on in the right order. I'm one of those people that likes to probably overly organize, and so in the front of the instructor's guide, the second page, I think, is the book list. And so it tells you each book and what week it starts on. So I am going to put these in order on my shelf, in order from first to last. So here we go. So here is my bookshelf now. So we have all of the read alouds over here, the history, the Bible, and then this is all the readers that my daughter will be reading. This is how I like to store them so that, number one, they don't take up as much space on the shelf, but also she can just see what comes next. And normally she just takes out the one in the front, and then when she's done with it, she moves it to the back, and the next book is ready to go. Okay, so there you have it. We are all organized on the shelf now, and the next thing that I will be doing is getting my instructor's guide put in a binder and organizing all of my planning materials. So stay tuned, and next time we will go through and put all of that together. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time.